Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely open your laptop and prevent any static damage to the components. First, power off your ASUS VIVOBOOK F1504Z and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, place the laptop on a clean, flat surface to prevent any scratches or damage. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. There are typically around 10 screws, so keep them in a safe place. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery, which is usually a rectangular shape and connected to the motherboard with a cable. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance. Now, disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard by gently pulling it out. Next, you will need to remove the screws securing the battery in place. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver for this task. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the battery out of its compartment. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you if you're unsure about any step. Now, take your new battery and place it into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, making sure it's securely attached. This is a crucial step, as a loose connection can lead to power issues. After the battery is in place, replace the screws to secure it. Then, take the back panel and align it properly before pressing down gently to snap it back into place. Finally, replace all the screws you removed earlier to ensure the panel is securely fastened. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, we provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service. Once everything is reassembled, power on your ASUS VIVOBOOK F1504Z to check if the new battery is functioning correctly. If the laptop powers on and recognizes the new battery, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery. If you encounter any issues, remember that we offer a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. This way, you can make an informed decision about how to proceed with any further repairs or diagnostics needed. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.